Hi guys, so this was on my way to get my COVID test done. I was done and I was on my way back to town. Yeah, and was just recording me driving on the left side of the road, saying that I'm so used to driving on the right side of the road, which was it was pretty simple because I could handle it because I'm used to it. Yeah, so this was me waiting for my antigen test so that I could enter the Carnival village for the events. Okay, this was me going to the stadium. I think it was hysteric. They had something and I went. It was a fun event. It was nice. That's everybody lining up to get in. They're checking your COVID test, they're checking your ticket, they're checking to see if you're vaccinated. So it was professionally done, to be honest. We were checked, make sure we have an antigen test, make sure we're vaccinated, make sure that it's us. So it was done safely.
I was here. Home time, everything started at 9 tonight. Yesterday was 10. So now I have an hour drive home, but it's okay. I enjoy myself. Can't complain.